Can you imagine living forever? What if death as we know it isn't the end? What if every time you faced a fatal situation you somehow survived? This isn't science fiction, this is the mind-bending concept of quantum immortality. Quantum immortality is a thought experiment, a head-spinning idea born from the strange world of quantum mechanics. It suggests that consciousness never truly experiences death. Instead, it continues to exist in alternate realities. The idea might sound absolutely bonkers at first, but bear with me. It all hinges on a theory called the many worlds interpretation. The many worlds interpretation proposes that every quantum measurement, every random event, causes the universe to split. Each split creates a new universe, identical to the original except for the outcome of that event. Imagine it like a choose-your-own-adventure book, with every choice creating a new storyline. In the context of quantum immortality, this means that every scenario that could lead to your death simply branches off into a new universe. Your consciousness, however, continues on a different path, the one where you survive. Imagine you're driving and a truck swerves into your lane. In most universes, this would be the end of the line. But in the bizarre world of quantum immortality, your consciousness jumps to a universe where you miraculously slammed on the brakes just in time. Or picture yourself falling from a treacherous cliff. Instead of meeting a tragic end, your awareness shifts to a parallel world where a rogue gust of wind pushed you to safety. In this interpretation, your conscious experience is a constant stream of near misses, each one a leap into a new reality where you beat the odds. It's important to note that you wouldn't be aware of these universe hops. You wouldn't wake up each morning thinking, wow, dodged another bullet. From your perspective, life would flow continuously, albeit with an uncanny knack for survival. The idea is that your consciousness only persists in universes where it can exist. Therefore, you'd only ever experience the realities where you survive. This begs the question, if we are constantly surviving in some universe, does that mean we are immortal? In the context of quantum immortality, the answer is both yes and no. You'd never experience your own demise. Your consciousness would always be shunted to a universe where you continue to exist. In that sense, you would technically live forever. However, this doesn't mean you'd be invincible or immune to the effects of time. You would still age. You would still experience the joys and sorrows of life. You would still witness the passing of time and the changes it brings. Quantum immortality doesn't grant you eternal youth or invincibility. It merely suggests that your awareness continues, always hopping to a reality where it persists. Section 4. A universe of possibilities. The implications of such a concept are staggering. Imagine living through centuries, millennia, even eons, your consciousness endlessly shifting to universes where you continue to exist. What would you see? What would you learn? The possibilities are dizzying. But the implications go beyond one person's lifespan. If quantum immortality holds true, it would mean that every conscious being is on their own unique, unending journey through the multiverse. The universe becomes a tapestry of interwoven experiences, each consciousness a thread winding its way through an infinite expanse of possibilities. Of course, all of this hinges on the validity of the many worlds interpretation, which itself is a hotly debated topic in the world of physics. There's no concrete evidence to prove or disprove it, leaving it firmly in the realm of theoretical physics. Section 5. The Quantum Paradox. Quantum immortality, for all its mind-bending implications, isn't without its paradoxes. For example, if we are constantly shifting to universes where we survive, what happens to everyone else? What about our loved ones? In the framework of quantum immortality, every consciousness is on its own journey. While you might continue to exist in one universe, the same can't be guaranteed for others. This raises questions about relationships, loss, and the very nature of shared reality. Furthermore, quantum immortality doesn't address the issue of aging. Even if you could survive every fatal event, you would still age. You'd still experience the eventual decline of the body. Would consciousness truly persist even in a failing, decrepit body? The question remains open. Quantum immortality, despite its intriguing premise, is more of a thought-provoking puzzle than a definitive answer to the age-old question of life and death. It highlights the strangeness of the quantum realm and the perplexing implications it could have on our understanding of existence. But above all, it underscores the preciousness of life, the fleeting beauty of our time in this particular corner of the multiverse.